Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from eTimes TV.
Hi Ishita, welcome to eTimes TV. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And लॉकडाउन में हमने आपको देखा कि आपने अपने आप को काफी बिजी रखा, भले ही वो कुकिंग हो, मेकिंग वीडियोस विद वत्सल. We saw कि आपने अपने आप को खाली बैठने नहीं दिया. You kept yourself busy doing some or the other thing. How was it finally, when you left your home and finally went out to shoot something?
This is love. This is my first love, like working, shooting. तो yes, because ये नहीं मिल पा रहा था तो हमने कुछ और किया घर पे, जो coincidentally लोगों को अच्छा लगा. हमने भी we continued making those videos and खुद का भी एक ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ करें because we don't have work from home. So this was our way of working from home. And I'm really glad I did that because it's very important to keep yourself busy, especially pandemic में इतना stress था, इतना कुछ हो रहा था आसपास. That kind of kept me sane, and जब show की बातचीत चलने लगी, yes, consciously I initially lockdown जब खत्म हुआ मैंने कोई show के लिए ज़्यादा try नहीं किया because I was a little skeptical, I was a little scared because काफी लोगों को हुआ था, मुझे भी हुआ था COVID. But then I got to know how industry में बहुत safety precautions लेके we have been shooting, it's amazing to see how set पे सब कुछ manage हो रहा है. And then finally I was like, okay, I think I'm ready. And then finally when I went on set, it was like the slow motion, I was like, oh my god, this is what I love doing. And एक दिन शायद थोड़ा odd लग रहा था because mask पहनना था, sanitize, you have to keep be a little careful, but now I think वो routine बैठ गया है.
And we also saw that you experimented with your looks a lot, during the break. जब pandemic खत्म हुआ और धीरे चीजें track पे आने लगी, you went and did a bold photo shoot. Bold नहीं कहूँगी मैं, but a different side you tried to show to the viewers, especially. वो क्या एक conscious decision था, क्योंकि हमने अब तक आपको जो roles करते हुए देखे हैं, they are very close to you कहीं ना कहीं. You have not gone over and out, जो हर एक्टर कभी ना कभी चाहता है करने का. What was the reason behind that photo shoot?
I think like you said, sometimes we also want to change our look different, do something interesting. Especially जो I have a few stylist friends who were like कि अभी आपके पास time है, आप कोई show नहीं कर रहे हो, तो let's experiment with your look. Let's see what looks good on you. And that's the best thing about magazine shoots or photo shoots, that आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. So I think जो भी करने का मन था, like experiment with the looks किया हमने. And in future also I think I'll continue doing that because मुझे honestly बहुत मजा आया. And I think a lot of people also messaged me. They were like, it's interesting. I've never seen you in something like this. It's a good look, a good change.
We also saw, दृश्यम में आपका कितना अच्छा रोल था, और वो फिल्म आज तक टीवी पे भी आती है तो लोग देखते हैं, उसके इतने वायरल मीम्स भी बने 2 अक्टूबर. So I want to know, आपने फिल्मों में ही और कंटिन्यू क्यों नहीं किया? Because we know that Vatsal also does some great movies. आपने भी किया इतना अच्छा काम. We know that your sister has done so many movies. Why didn't you continue doing Bollywood? Was there lack of scripts, या जो आपको चाहिए था वो नहीं मिल रहा था, or you were happy doing TV?
I think honestly इतना मैं सोचती नहीं हूँ. I think I go with the flow. So every project के बाद the next set of projects that are approached to me, उसमें से whatever is the best which I feel that I'm excited to do, I take it up. For example, right now also because of pandemic, of course I was not doing anything. उसके बाद जब coincidentally this was one of the first things that came to me, and there was no reason for me to say no because इतना अच्छा script है, इतना अच्छा production house है. I'm working with Colors again, and मेरा last show उनके साथ था, and I had a fabulous experience. So I felt why not? So it's not that TV सोच के किया था कि इसके बाद TV करूंगी. It's just whatever comes first, whatever is good. Script अच्छी होनी चाहिए, मेरा character अच्छा होना चाहिए, मुझे वो interest होना चाहिए. I should be happy doing it. That's it. That's the most important thing.
But do you think that the blur line that वो पहले था कि अगर आप टीवी कर रहे हैं तो आपको फिल्मों में काम नहीं मिलेगा, अगर आप अब टीवी पे कर रहे हैं तो वेब शोज में काम नहीं, that is slowly वो कहीं ना कहीं वो लाइन खत्म हो रही है?
Completely gone, because I'll tell you, 7-8 years back when I started and I did my first TV show, and there were lot of people asking me, आपने movies से शुरुआत क्यों नहीं की, typecast हो जाओगे, आप शायद movies नहीं कर पाओगे. But I have done so many films after that. जैसे कि आपने कहा दृश्यम is one of the biggest films that I've done. In between, before my last show also I did Blank and Settlers. So फिरंगी किया मैंने, तो offers आने लगे. ऐसा कभी किसी ने बोला नहीं कि अच्छा TV किया है, which is very good, and I'm very proud that it is finally happening. Where I think all the actors who are doing television, they do a show and then they switch to films, they do some web and then they come back. So we are all exploring all the mediums.
And are you open to doing web also, Ishita? Because web में कहीं ना कहीं वो एक bold content का भी criteria आ जाता है, चाहे वो language हो, चाहे वो scenes हो, love making scenes. Are you comfortable doing it? Because we haven't seen you doing, going all out on camera.
Yeah, I think somewhere in between, maybe I am not completely comfortable with a lot of things. At the same time, I feel, when you get the right script and you feel convinced, I need to be convinced. The bottom line is, it should be something which should convince me ki yes, it is required. Yes, it is something that because if I am not confident, I don't think so it's going to show on screen. So for me, it's very important that I should be comfortable. Only then, if I believe, then people are going to believe.
Yeah.
So if I get something like that, then I'll definitely do.
But you have your set of reservations?
Yes, I do have my set of yeah.
And Vatsal और आप क्या scripts discuss करते हो? जैसे उनको कोई film मिलती है, does he discuss with you and vice versa?
Yes, definitely we discuss a lot. In fact, Vatsal लिखते भी है, बहुत कम लोगों को पता है that he writes also. So whenever he's written any script or he's doing something with that, he'll always discuss. And मुझे भी कोई भी show का कुछ भी मतलब anything that comes to me, he and my sister, I think there are two people who are from the industry in my family who know more than me, they're more experienced. So I always go to them for advice.
Your last show was so popular, उसके fan clubs बने थे, and your Jodi with Pearl is still famous, और लोग उसका sequel भी देखना चाहते थे. और एक now you're coming back with a new show. What do you want to say to your fans?
I want to say that thank you so much for giving so much love to my previous show, and I want ज़्यादा प्यार आप दे इस show को. ये कैरेक्टर काजोल बहुत ही क्लोज है मेरे लाइफ से. लाइक आई रियली रिलेट टू हर, एंड आई जस्ट होप दैट हमारी जो सेट के जितने लोग हैं सबके साथ जो केमिस्ट्री आपको पसंद आए, आपको शो पसंद आए. एंड 23rd August, डोंट फॉरगेट, 9:30 कलर्स पे.
Thank you so much, Ishita, and all the best for the show.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Bye.